What's going on, guys? Eric with TheWiscoGuyz, and in today's video we got something from Auxito. So we're gonna check it out. We're gonna open the box and see what it is. Alrighty. So Auxito sent this out for us to give it a shot, try it out, see what it's about. It is their jump starter with an air compressor built into it. So we're gonna get this box open, see what it's about. It looks like it comes with many different attachments. Or you could air up soccer balls, footballs, air up car tires, and then it also charges. You'll be able to charge your battery and your phone and like your cameras and everything with this. So definitely a useful tool. You can see a lot of people using this, especially just keeping in your car on a trip in case you get a flat, or in case you just need to charge your equipment. So let's get this open. And Auxito always wraps everything so nicely, nice and sealed. Just a good job overall by them. Great company, great product from this company. So let's take a, ooh, it even comes in a little case too. Look at this. Oh, that is awesome. Look at this. Alrighty, so it comes in this little case here, very, very nice, high quality, and it's got Auxito right on it, so you know who it's from. So let's get it open, see what we got in here. Look at that. So got a little instruction manual here and user manual. Put that off to the side, we're going to read that. And we actually have the unit right here. Get this out of the bag. Look at that there. This is actually pretty light. I thought it'd be a little heavier, but that's nice that it's light. So we got the unit there. We also have a little harness here for the jump starter, or to jump start your vehicle. Looks like we have a USB to USB-C right here. We also have attachments for the air pump itself, where you can air up like a football or soccer ball or whatever type of sports equipment you need there. Also with other attachments. We also have the air chuck itself for airing up bike tires and car tires. So very good. And this is all metal there, braided line, looks pretty good. I like that. And a nice case too. I can't say enough about the case. This is quality right here, guys. So I'm gonna read through the user manual just real quick to see. We're probably gonna have to charge this overnight, or at least a certain amount of time before we use it. So alrighty, so we got our charging cord here. I just went through the user manual. Definitely read this before you even start using it. It tells you all the information to know. This is actually a very, very awesome functioning unit here. Has a lot of different modes in there, a lot of different things you can do. You can preset PSI on tires or footballs or whatever, so you don't overinflate. Very, very intricate unit here, so I'm excited to use it. But first, we got to charge it, and it states in the user manual we have to charge it for more than 3 hours minimum before we start use of this product. So let's get it on the charger, and then we'll come back to it once it's fully charged. So we're gonna get this plugged in real quick. I'm going to take the charging cord here, plug that into the wall. And we're going to put it into the input here. There we go. So we're going to let that charge. It says a minimum of 3 hours, so I'm just gonna charge it all night, I guess. So alrighty, we'll check back in the morning, and we'll go try to start the Firebird. I know that's completely dead because it hasn't been started in like 3 months. Alrighty, check back with you in the morning. Alrighty, so we got everything charged up on this. We're gonna unplug it here. And I know it's charged up because it went to 100% and then shut it off. So it won't overcharge itself, which is a nice feature. So, but let's go try it. I got a snowblower that has a low tire. We're gonna try out the air function first. So first things first, we're going to we're gonna thread in the air pump itself. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in the bottom here where it threads in. We'll do that real quick. Kind of doing this one-handed, so bear with me. All right, we're gonna tighten that by hand. There's a little O-ring on the end of there, so that should seal very, very good. We're gonna go to the snowblower. So this is my snowblower. It's an oldie, what a goodie. Got it from my uncle. And it does have pretty much a flat tire. It's been sitting all winter. We haven't had any snow really accumulative besides one snowstorm. That's why you see those banks there. But since I've only used it once this year. Since I haven't used it, the tire's pretty much gone flat. I usually keep up on it with an like a hand pump, but with this, I should be able to pump this up pretty easily. So now we have everything set up here. We're gonna turn this on. Alrighty, as you see there, we're at 100%. As you see here, we got to cycle through. We're at 36 pounds. We're going to put that down to 8. So we're just hitting the back button here. So pretty much you turn it on, and then you tap this. I'll show you. We got to get down to 8 pounds though. That's all this takes. So we're at 8 pounds. We're going to plug in. There we go. So now that's on. Now since we're at 8 pounds, we're going to tap this. We're at 8 and it shut off. We're still at 100%. Check the tire, and we got 8 pounds in there. We're gonna do the other side real quick. And it shuts right off at 8 pounds. So now we're gonna undo that. All set to go. Alrighty. So that worked pretty well. I got the detached there. This does come with little attachments here with a little needle. You can pump up like your sports balls, football, soccer, you know, any ball that requires air. And it's got attachments where you can blow up like inflatable mattresses and like inflatable like floaties if you're going swimming. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, that worked really well. But the next thing we're going to try is we're going to go over to the Firebird. It hasn't been running about 4 months. And we are going to try to see if we can jump start it with this thing. Now that I've aired up 2 tires with it, which was only 8 pounds, but it still is showing that it has 100% life yet. So we're going to try it out. We're going to go over to the Firebird and see if we can get this thing fired up with just this. Alrighty, so we're here with the Firebird. This vehicle has not been started in about 4 or 5 months, somewhere around there. I know it's dead. No, I know. So luckily we have the Auxito jump starter and air compressor. We're going to try it out and get this car started. Alrighty, so checked oil already. We're going to jump start it with the Auxito jump starter. Let me get it out of the case and we'll set it up. Now that we got the Auxito jump starter and air compressor, we're going to open up this little door here, yellow rubberized door, and we're going to plug this in. It only goes one way. There we go. You'll see a green light flashing, so that means it's That means it's ready to go there. So make sure you keep the ends away from each other. Alrighty, so we're going to take the ends here. I'm going to go black on the negative, red on positive. And we're going to hit the power button 100%. Alright, let's start this thing. It's at 92% right now. Disconnected. You put it off the side. There we go. We're gonna let that run for a little bit, and hasn't been started in a while, so we'll let it run and go from there. Got the Auxito jump starter and air pump. Everything worked as it said. We didn't try. I'm gonna turn it back on here. We didn't try the light function. Look at that. Oh, then there, shine your light. That's pretty bright. It's dead daylight out, and I can still. And that's pretty good. So it's got a light function, flashing function, red. So for caution, and then yeah, works pretty well. So yeah, definitely check out the description below. You can buy this off Auxito's website. I'll put the description down below. If you use my code, I believe you get 15% off. I'll double check that, but yeah, definitely subscribe to the channel. Go to Auxito, pick one of these up for yourself, and check it out. If you get in a bind, you got a flat tire on anything really, and you need to pump up, this will do it. If you need a car jump started, this will do it. So and if you just want to charge your phones and stuff, I mean, it's got a port, it's got USB ports, you can charge your phones with it too. So alrighty, I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Definitely check out the link below. You guys have a good day or night or whatever you're having. See you guys. Bye.